Certainly. Let's expand upon the voice over while preserving the core message and tone. Stop everything you're doing right now because I've just unearthed the missing piece to exploding your Faceless YouTube channel into a viral sensation. You're about to discover a top-secret ingredient that almost nobody else is talking about in the realm of faceless content creation. I'm referring to a single pivotal aspect that truly sets viral channels apart from the crowd. It's mastering the art of YouTube Shorts. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly makes YouTube Shorts so much more powerful than other content types? Why have they evolved into the proverbial golden ticket for creators who prefer to operate behind the camera? Let's take a deep dive into the bustling, vibrant world of YouTube Shorts. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped with the precise tools and knowledge you need to harness this fantastic feature, rocketing your channel into viral orbit and beyond. Allow me to introduce you to a tale about Alex. He is, at heart, an ordinary creator, much like yourself. His story started with a lot of hard work, even some frustration, but ended in unprecedented success. Picture this. Alex was grinding, methodically producing full-length videos, and scrambling to keep up with ever-changing algorithms. Despite the brilliance of his content, though, his channel growth was underwhelming at best. Brimming with creativity but desperate for results, Alex stumbled upon something magical: shorts. Picture them as succinct bursts of creative chaos, delivering electrifying 10-second to 60-second glimpses of genius right into the hands of eager viewers. Faceless and loaded with gleaming potential, YouTube Shorts became the perfect oasis for attracting quick engagement, the ideal avenue for creators to package their brilliance into snackable content. Still skeptical? Imagine this scenario: a thriving, lively community built on microcontent. The concept might seem diminutive, but its impact is nothing short of massive. In a contemporary world where attention spans shrink ever smaller, it isn't the marathon that claims victory. It's the sprints that capture the crown. Thus, Alex decided to radically transform his content strategy, refocusing his energy by tapping into a different facet of storytelling: micro-narratives. With Shorts, there's no room for filler content. Every frame must be packed with significance, and every word must deliver a powerful punch. It's creativity distilled down to its very purest essence. Alex soon realized that capturing viewer interest wasn't a question of having an abundance of time, but about making the most out of much less. There was, however, a challenge that Alex had to confront. How could he distill captivating narratives capable of gripping viewers and refusing to let their attention slip away? The solution was ingeniously simple: begin with an electrifying hook. Each short needed to start with a bang, meticulously crafted to seize and cement viewer attention within the first few critical milliseconds. A pivotal lesson Alex learned from diving deep into attention analytics. The opening needed to be compelling and intriguing, almost making viewers freeze in their tracks, unable to look away. It was all about sparking curiosity, initiating an unstoppable loop of fascination. Alex learned to carefully nurture this curiosity with captivating suspense, juicy enough to tease, yet substantial enough to satisfy. Imagine the intricate dance of expectation and fulfillment, finding the delicate balance between leading with the unexpected and delivering rewarding insights. Posing mind-boggling questions or unveiling tantalizing teasers became Alex's clear strategy. Therefore, he honed the skill of imparting incredible takeaways with conciseness, dispensing with fluff, offering pure substance, which became the secret sauce to his success. Shorts did have their limits, but those perceived constraints transformed into creative freedom, a paradox that dared to challenge traditional storytelling. In this limitation lay the exquisite beauty of editing wizardry, every scene snapping into place with a precision that was nothing short of artful. Transitions was seamless and blissfully smooth. This was storytelling custom-made for a new era. Visual storytelling reduces to its most authentic core. Eventually, Alex's escapade into the world of shorts kicked his channel metrics into the stratosphere. Engagement rates soared, viewer retention rose significantly, and subscriber counts surged like never before. Remember this comparison? Shorts are akin to goldfish snacks. They're small, extraordinarily addictive, and they leave audiences hungry for more. While seemingly invisible on the surface, shorts indeed wield a hidden power within YouTube's vast ecosystem. They have a knack for popping up in feeds, suggesting your next viewing experience, and acting almost like a gateway drug, enticing viewers to dive into your longer content offerings. Therefore, capitalizing on strategies like consistent posting gives rise to a snowball effect, inevitably drawing more and more eyes onto your channel. But before we reach the conclusion of this exploration, there's yet another vital aspect to address: thumbnails. Thumbnails, even for shorts, serve as that initial handshake, that first impression meticulously crafted to whisper enticing secrets about what's hidden within. Ignoring their importance would be folly. Design them with the intent to invite curiosity, to telegraph the spectacle that awaits inside. Now that you glimpsed the key insights from Alex's transformational odyssey, unburied and exposed for you, it's time to orient your own focus toward this often overlooked platform. Weave your creative spells and manifest fame through those tiniest of frames. As we conclude this captivating chapter, ponder this thought. What's the most fascinating story you can tell in under a minute? Imagine yourself fully embracing the magical potential of what might seem like mere snippets, yet are, in fact, limitless opportunities. The revealing of secrets does not stop here. In our next thrilling episode, we will uncover even more unique tactics to elevate your shorts, driving unprecedented levels of engagement. Until then, let your creative instincts take the lead in crafting the next epic short, waiting eagerly to capture the hearts of your eager audience.